Way first. According to the charity Allergy UK, there are on average 2 children per school class that suffer from allergies. And now a company called Kitt Medical have developed and distributed anaphylaxis kits across UK schools that have saved 2 lives already. That company hopes to eventually have the kits next to all defibrillators in the country. And those kits contain adrenaline pens for adults and children and can now be found in 4 schools across Nottingham, run under the Raleigh Trust. They have been provided to make people more aware of allergies, to reassure parents and staff, and of course to be on hand in case of any life-threatening circumstances. Sam Hurst has more.
The Woodlands Academy in Beechdale supports children with special educational needs like autism, ADHD, speech, language and communication needs. There are 4 pupils in the school with allergies and 2 members of staff. One of those is class teacher Agatha. To prepare for any issues, the Academy has 2 Kitt Medical anaphylaxis kits in the building.
So everyone's quite aware that it is an important thing. It's something that it's not a bad thing. It's just my body needs looking after more than other people's bodies. So they don't get scared. So I explain to them that there's some things that make me poorly and what it would look like if I was poorly. And more than anything, it's that I get to be here and do what I love to do and still get to go home.
Fortunately, the kits have yet to be used in any of the Raleigh Trust schools in the city. However, in different parts of the country, these kits have been life-saving. Billy Jo from Sussex was living out an ordinary day, taking her children to school and going to work as a teacher when she went into anaphylactic shock.
But I had children coming in the classroom, I had teachers coming in the classroom, and I thought if I have an anaphylactic reaction here in my classroom, it's going to be, it's really traumatic for people. I did my first adrenaline pen on myself. I was on the phone to the ambulance couldn't get to us for 20 minutes, which 20-minute window is massive when it's allergies. The ambulance is saying you need to do another one. Not really, I wasn't really conscious to a point where I could kind of remember everything. And then that's when Kate did the second Kitt Medical adrenaline pen, but the 3rd one for me. Well, there's no doubt I wouldn't be here. I would have died.
But it isn't just the physical kits that schools are provided with.
So our anaphylaxis kits store a subscription supply of adrenaline pens, which come in both lower and higher doses. We monitor the expiry dates and replace them every single year, or if it's reported to us, we replace them if they're used at no extra cost. We also provide unlimited access to CPD accredited training.
For the Raleigh Trust and the Woodland Academy, it was a no-brainer to install them.
I think it does provide that additional peace of mind for staff and that reassurance, but not just the staff, for the children and for the parents. It just gives us that assurance in terms of if that was ever the case and there was an incident, that we've got a safety net there to protect the children.
We have a young person who appears has developed an allergy recently and doesn't have an EpiPen, so we know that we have that extra reassurance. And for our staff as well, we have a member of staff who has allergies who doesn't have an EpiPen, so we know that the kit is there and available if it's needed.
Sam Hurst for Notts TV.
They're incredible, aren't they? Next, one art gallery in Hyson Green will be the first to have a